Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto here today, and I am going to be doing a little embossing. I saw this on the Archer and Olive community page and I thought it was perfect for a Tuesday tutorial, so I am bringing that to you today. So the supplies I am using today are the Archer and Olive acrylic stamps. I chose the Celestial just because I was like, okay, I'm doing like a gold embossing and this would be perfect for it. So I used that. I used an Emboss It pen from Ranger ink. You can also use any sort of glue pen. They have a bunch on Amazon. I'm using the Michaels Recollections embossing powder. So this is from Michaels, but you can also get a whole bunch on Amazon as well. And then I'm also using a heat tool. The one that I have is this heat tool from Amazon, and I will link these down below. There's also heat tools at Michaels and things like that as well. So thank you so much. I will put the credit for whose post that I saw in the Archer and Olive community page. And let's go ahead and get started. So if you don't know what embossing is, it's basically using a certain type of powder. You heat it up, the powder activates, and then it creates a beautiful design. You'll see when you get it. I thought with the moon and stars, this would be the best one to do for this type of thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this moon here, grab this stamp. So this acrylic block came with the subscription box. You can also get it in craft stores and things like that. I'm going to use an embossing pen, which is essentially just a glue pen because you just need the powder to stick to something. And then go ahead and stamp that glue in that shape onto your page. So you can kind of see that little bit of an outline here. So I'm going to take this powder and pour it over so that it's a nice thick coat, and then you can save the rest of the powder by pouring it back in. Oops. Or you can do that and spill it all over your desk. One or the other. Also like that. Let's just spill it everywhere. So I'm just going to take a little brush here and clean up some of the edges so that the other powder isn't activated and it's just the design that I want. All right, and then I am going to take a heat tool. This is the heat tool. So one of the things that you want to be careful of, particularly with any sort of notebook like this, is warping. So try to hold it away from the page. It's going to take a little bit longer for the actual powder to activate that way, but it'll lead to less warping. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn this on. And you can see that the powder activated and it creates this really cool effect. So you can also do that without the stamps, of course. I thought it would be fun to show you with the stamps. So if I just wanted to do a box like this, and I'm going to go ahead and add the powder and do the same process. And there you have it. This is now stuck on there. You can see that it is fully embossed. So you have a nice little design that you can do with any one of these stamps. And of course I will link all the Archer and Olive supplies that I used. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that this was a fun little unique way of putting together a spread and you enjoyed the embossing. So thank you so much. I will see you next time. Bye everyone.